people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new in this channel, you are most and highly welcome. Now, are you having darkness around your thigh? Is your thigh not evenly just like the rest of your body? Is it looking always wet and white or black, like darker than your normal skin? Well, I have a solution for you. Okay, the only thing for you to do is to apply this, scrub all of those dead skin cells off on your good. So if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Alright, drop your curious questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. Alright, let's dive into this video. So for the first ingredients we're going to be needing, we are going to be making use of raw rice. Okay, and you can actually also use the powdered rice. I have the powdered rice also, and this is it. This is how it looks like. Okay, what I did, I blended this into a powder form, so that's why I have that. Okay, for today I'm not going to be using the powdered rice. I'm going to be processing this rice because I need the starch, like 100% of the starch. Alright guys, so here we are in the kitchen just to show you how I actually did this, guys, because I know some of you are going to be asking me questions. Okay, so what I did is that I poured in the rice into a pot and I poured in water, and I'm going to be boiling it for approximately 5 to 10 minutes so it can be very soft. Okay, now after boiling it, I'm going to be turning it into this my bullet blender and pour in the water and then blend it very well to you know, very soft, so we can use all the full benefits including the starch. Alright, so here is my boiled and blended rice, although it's actually like very strong right now. That's why I poured in a little bit of water. So I'm gonna be taking in 1 tablespoon of my rice puree. Alright, it's still soft though. And also I'm going to be making use of potato. Now potato is great because it helps also in removing dark area and dark patches. Then I'm going to be peeling off the potato. Alright guys, so the same thing that I did for the rice, I'm going to be doing that too for the potato because I need all of the starch. So I'm going to be boiling it for it to be very soft. So 5 minutes is going to be okay, and then I'm going to be putting it into a blender plus the water dough, okay, so it can blend and blend very well. So I'm going to be blending it so it could be very soft. Now here is my boiled and blended potato. Now we're just going to be needing 2 tablespoons of that. We're going to be making use of sandalwood powder. Okay, I hope you can see that. I actually poured this sandalwood powder into this baking soda container. This is how it is. Okay, you can order this online, or you can buy it where they sell or the stem made for skin. Okay, for the sandalwood powder, we're going to be needing 1 cup, which is equal to 1 tablespoon of the sandalwood powder. And then you're going to be using baking soda, which is bicarbonate of soda. Do not use baking powder, guys. Baking soda is just what you'll be needing. Alright, because it helps to scrub out the dead skin cells, removing pigment. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, which is bicarbonate of soda, and then we're going to be making use of vitamin E oil, or you can as well also use vitamin E capsule. Any of that in which you can lay your hands on, you can just use it. It's just going to be perfect. Okay, now to make this even better, I'm going to be putting in the vitamin E oil. Now we're just going to stir and mix all of this together. Alright, so you have to calm down to mix if your rice is just as solid as mine, but I'm gonna be mixing everything all up. Alright, so I'm gonna be experimenting this, guys, using my hand. So what you do is that you're just going to apply this treatment onto your private area, which is your inner thigh, using your hands preferably, so you can scrub. Okay, when you're done applying it very well, then you have to give it a scrub. Now you have to scrub it really well, although the skin at that part is really soft, but it's not like too fragile, just like the skin on the face. So you have to still continually like scrub it and scrub it really well. Now what this is going to do is that it's just going to help to remove the dead skin cells around that place, and it's going to help you in revealing a brighter and a more newer skin, and you're going to be pleased with your result. So when you scrub for like 1 to 2 minutes, then you can hold it on. Or this is going to be discomforting, okay, because anytime I scrub my inner thigh, like I hold it, it's kind of like tingling and stuff, but it's not bad. Alright, so after that, then you go wash it off with the normal water. For this treatment, you can actually store it for a couple of days, and then you use it, scrub out the dead skin cells, reveal a brighter and a newer skin. You can actually do it like five times in a week. Basically, we have 7 days in a week, so you can actually do it 5 days in a week, okay? And all of the dark ties and dark patches is gonna be gone. Scrub all of those stuff there. I just use my hands to show you guys, okay? But of course, you've actually seen me scrub out my dark tie plenty of times, like about 3 times or thereabouts, I think so, more than, I don't know. So that's it. It's going to work really nice. So if you do love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share this video and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, okay, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions at all you want to ask me, do that on my website. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video, and bye guys.